In this video, I will show you how to set up your first board in Monday.com. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from Guidewise. Open Monday.com and click Create Board. If this is your first time using Monday.com, you will most likely see a home page like mine. Let's start working together. You can then give your first project a name. You can then select the relevant columns for your board. Once you have selected your columns, simply tap the blue button Next. You can then get real-time insights with dashboards. I have selected Tasks Overview, Tasks by Status, Tasks by Owner, Overdue Tasks, and Tasks by Due Date. Once you have selected your insights with dashboards, click the blue button Next again. You can then add a view layout. I have selected Calendar. Once you have selected your layout, you can list your projects. So I will list my projects as YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. You can select an owner, status like working on it, done, stuck. You can also select a due date and a timeline of when that project needs to be completed. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.